Hi, I'm Colin. I'm from Minnesota. I found LeafFilter on the Nextdoor neighbor app. For a long time, my wife and I had been talking about doing some kind of gutter cover, and I had even bought the parts to do it myself. But I decided I didn't want to go up on a ladder 2 stories, so we started thinking about having someone else do it. And I kept procrastinating because I didn't want to go through the process of calling somebody and scheduling appointments and everything. But when I finally did it, I clicked on the ad on the Nextdoor neighbor app and sent in my information. And within 5 minutes, somebody called me and set up or walked me through the process and set up a meeting for the next day to go over the product. And then on the next day, the product was installed. So I was just blown away by how fast the whole process went from the initial point of contact where I sent in a request for information and then the salesperson calling me and coming out to see me. And he was a great guy. He was really, really good. Very helpful. And I felt like I got what I would deem a real good price on getting this job done and up to my specs. So I loved it. The process was great.